Hey, Techie Review community, what you're about to see is an interaction between my wife and I on folding a bike. We originally recorded this to help out my cousin who is in the process of purchasing a bike for her partner. And so we wanted to show them a little bit. They were asking us questions, and we wanted to show them the folding of the bike and the handlebars and some of the other things that we've bought with our bikes and we've done with ours. So it's kind of a conversation between Louise and I for my cousin originally, but we thought you would like it too. So enjoy. We'll talk to you soon. I'll show you how to fold the bike here. So a couple different spots that will fold. One is the handlebar. It's up top here, this little clasp here, and the main bike fold is here in the middle. So
and he's going to make it look easy because
I'm probably going to make it look very easy.
Because he has testosterone in practice.
Okay, so I'm just adjusting the pedals so they're out of the way a little bit. But there's a lever on top that you have to push forward. I'm just going to zoom in. Lever on top, you have to push forward, and then you have to pop that open. And you want that to be open, and it's not an easy force. I mean, I've gotten a good grip on it, so I know how to do it. It'll take a little bit, especially the first few times you open the bike.
Now, I'm going to say he grunted. I couldn't even budge it.
Yeah. So I'm going to turn the wheel this way. This is a little trick I've learned. And if I push here with my foot, you can open the bike up pretty quickly. And then all you have to do is grab the handle.
Hear him grunt again?
And that will go together. So that's that portion of the bike folded together. Then you can bungee the tires together if you don't want it to move or whatever. And then you have that same kind of a lever on the handlebar right here, and then
the handlebar is a little easier.
The handlebar is a lot easier, I think, but yeah, and then this will fold down if you want to go that far.
Now, again, the only time I've tried to fold it, but David has been there. I did get it folded after you opened the lock. The last time we were out.
And then, of course, it's just the opposite to put it back together. You lift the bar up here, clamp that in, and then one of the tricks of the trade, they say, is to come around this side, and you'll notice I'm gonna actually lift the seat, and then you just gotta.
Okay, yeah, that's 65 pounds.
65 pounds. You gotta. You know, it's got a little bit of a leverage. You can get on this, and I'm going to get behind it again because this will give me some better leverage to get that thing to a close position. I've found that pulling this thing back, it has to get in. It has a little mushroom cap on the top of the lever underneath. Here, Louise, come back closer so you can zoom in on this mushroom cap. And it has to fit inside this little housing here. So it's just got to flip in. If it doesn't click in, you can play with it to get it to go in.
Now, if you don't,
this is a test. They say to do every time you ride your bike is to check those clamps every time you ride.
Now, if you don't have to close your bike up, then it's fine.
Yeah.
You don't have to. You don't have to do all that. You can just ride it like a regular bike. The thing with these bikes, these are bikes that have pedal assist that are battery operated.
Right, yeah, so battery here, and your motor's in the center wheel well.
Okay, and everybody complains about where the switch is or the key is in this. Why they put it down here?
The key is underneath. And what you have to do is, this button is your battery lock indicator. When you turn it on,
my hand on there.
Yeah, when you turn the battery on, it's kind of in line with the frame. This will come out further, so it's locked in. But you can turn it off to here. You can still turn it one more position, but you have to kind of push on this battery, and that's to release the whole battery. We've never actually done that.
No.
So we just charge ours. The charging port's on the other side.
Hey, you finally got a little mud on yours.
Yeah.
My bike is just muddy. I don't know why.
So one more thing you'll notice, I noticed on the current sale they're giving you the mirror kit. We tried the mirrors in both positions up. We also tried them both sides down underneath like this one, and we've actually settled here with 2 mirrors on the left side because most of the time you're going to be on the right side of the road. So this way you can line these 2 mirrors up so you have a better view behind you. But granted, it is on the one side.
And it's really personal choices.
It is personal preference.
What else? That does not come with a bell. We added an old school bell.
Old school bell for our trails around us.
It does come with lights, but and this box is a freebie we got in the trash at Sam's. They were tossing it.
2-liter bottle holder, I think.
And we just zip-locked it on, I think. No, we screwed it on.
No, it's zip-tied on.
Oh, yeah.
It is zip-tied on, just set on top of the back bike rack that comes with it. And our seat and this post is the comfort set. It's the suspension post and the seat. This is an extra charge.
Totally worth it. Absolutely worth it.
I will say that a lot of people on the web, in the groups, they like the Cloud 9 seat. We have no experience with it, but that is a kind of a comfort seat.
From Amazon or something?
They get it from Amazon, yeah. Yeah.
Okay, so no, I didn't think, we only got one, and then we have the same bike, and so we put it on the one bike, and we switched bikes, and both of us said, oh, yeah, because it didn't look like it would be a difference.
All right, so,
you did this for the lefty.
Okay, go the other way. Just turn it around.
This is about it. And he wants me to put it in here. And this is about how much I can get up. So we're getting a rack to put this up. I can't do it. And here.
All right.
Let me come over this way. Oh, I can get up 2 or 3 inches. But picking it up and putting it in the car, not so much. But you can get it. They sell these racks. I saw it on a Van Lifer, and you got it for the kid.
You're digressing a little bit.
Okay, so.
Did you push the latch forward?
No. Okay, push latch forward. And pull. Push latch forward. And. Okay, so that's my point. You might be able to, with a lot of practice, figure it out. Maybe a lever, like a screwdriver or something, carry with you. I don't know.
It'd be dangerous with.
But I can't lift it, so why would I fold it?
Right.
I can fold it. If David helps, I can do some, but he's lifting. Again, you can look on Amazon for like $20. You can get a ramp.
But if she's just riding it to and from the house to the work, she shouldn't have a need for that.
And I take this to the store all the time. I just chain it up.
Yep.
Bike chain.
Yeah, get a decent quality bike chain.
Bike cable.
Or a bike lock.
And I have saddlebags on mine. David has a thingy on his. So
okay. Yeah, we got it. We got a set of the pannier bags for her bike. They get, because it took us so long to get our seats, we complained, and they gave us a set of a pannier bag. But they're actually pretty good. I mean, they hold quite a bit. You can see we've got a lock cable in here, and it's got a secondary pouch, and then you've got pouches on the other side, and this one's got